Learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université Ali University of Blida. Today, we we going to talk about our fifth lecture titled The Management Structure. So I have divided my fifth lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is the management structure? What are the types of management structure? Language activities. Which preposition is used the most with or for a company? And finally, our assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is or what are the management structures? A management structure or organizational structure describes how a company organizes its management hierarchy. In almost all organizations, a hierarchy exists. This hierarchy determines the lines of authority, communications rights, and duties of that organization. It also determines how the rules, power, and responsibilities are assigned, controlled, and coordinated, and how information flows between the different levels of management. So, what are the different types of structures? The lower management, usually a marked hierarchy, prevails at lower management. The middle management, the middle management is usually based on business functions that collaborate on decision making as the situation requires. Third one, the board structure. At a board level and upper management, a decentralized structure prevails. The decision-making power is equally distributed, and the departments and divisions may have different degrees of independence. Third element, language activities. How to use with a company and how to use for a company. We can also use it to refer to things we're specifically using to complete our work. For examples, Amin works with children all the time. They work with a real estate office in Blida. For a company is the other most popular preposition alongside in a company. It's the most versatile choice because it applies to so many different areas. For example, Attaf works for l'Université Ali universities. Amin works for my father's friends. Mustafa works for the offices up the road. They work for a blockchain company. They work for their own company. Please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.